Welcome to Maker Creation Lab. One of the coolest and most useful things you can add to your Arduino project is definitely a display. Unfortunately, implementing them can be a little tricky sometimes. I've spent the past 6 months tinkering with a variety of displays. Hopefully the information in this video will save some of you some time or inspire you to add one to your own project. At number 5, we have I2C LCD displays. This is the most common Arduino display and probably the easiest to implement. It runs on the I2C bus, which only requires 2 signal cables, serial clock, and serial data. This is a character display, making it perfect for displaying text, menus, score counters, and system status screens. If you're just getting started, this is definitely a great choice. Make sure you grab one with a built-in I2C driver chip. At number 4, the SH1106 Blue OLED Display. At a size of 1.3 inches and a resolution of 128 by 64 pixels, using the U8G2 graphics library, this display has excellent font and icon support. Text looks sharp, animations are smooth on everything from retro video games and robot eyes to full sensor dashboards and command centers. This display also runs over the I2C bus, meaning you can connect multiple devices as long as each module has its own unique address. If you don't know the address of your I2C device, use this I2C scanner, run the code, and check the serial monitor to get the exact address of your display. These tiny monochrome displays are super affordable and instantly add personality, making your projects feel more polished and fun. Taking the 3rd spot is this 1.5-inch RGB OLED display by Waveshare. This full-color 128 by 128 display runs on the SPI bus, which is faster than I2C, so it's perfect for more advanced animations and graphics. To get this display up and running, you're going to need 5 data connections. You can assign the CS, DC, and reset pins to whatever you like, but you must stick with the default digital input and clock pins, which are 11 and 13 for Arduino, and pins 23 and 18 for ESP32. I've provided example sketches in the description of this video, so follow the wiring in the comments, download the required libraries, then upload the sketch to get started. Number 2 is this 2-inch LCD by Waveshare. This display looks fantastic and is an amazing addition to any project. The 320 by 240 pixel screen is basically a tiny computer monitor for your Arduino projects. This display is perfect for color dashboards, full graphical interfaces, and even video games. It also runs on the SPI bus, but its larger size requires a bit more processing power to drive it smoothly. This display also has a separate backlight pin, which you can connect directly to 3.3 or 5 volts, or you can wire it to a GPIO pin to be able to turn it on and off when needed. Taking the number 1 spot today is this 2.8-inch TFT screen with built-in ESP32. In my opinion, this is one of the fastest, most affordable, and easiest ways to use a proper display. Using the eTFT library, follow this tutorial and replace the user setup files with the ones provided. Managing multiple displays with the eTFT library can be tedious, so I leave mine set up for only this display. The built-in touchscreen replaces inputs like physical buttons and opens up a ton of possibilities for interactive projects. Keep in mind, this board only exposes about 4 extra GPIO pins and 1 3.3 volt power source. In addition to built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, this board also has the ESP Now protocol, meaning it can receive data from another ESP32. This display is perfect for making handheld gaming consoles, smart home control dashboards, interactive projects, and much more. It comes with an SD card slot built in, so it's very convenient to store onboard images and data logs. This TFT module is already pre-wired to the ESP32, so there's no wiring required here. It's extremely fast to get up and running. These are currently my top 5 display modules. If you have any other displays that you've been enjoying using in your projects, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for checking out the top displays for Arduino and ESP32. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.